Yo, what's up my charge people? Hope you're all good in that. Yeah, as you know, we got the 2.3 Sierra Ghia, and yeah, it was basically the new project car for the channel, and I was aiming to do all episodes on it, but unfortunately we got some snakes and ladders going on. Basically, we've got complaints of people saying, oh yeah, the car's not MOT'd and that, and it's not even been 6 days. Like, I haven't even owned the car for a week. So unfortunately, I don't think we're going to be able to do any episodes on it. But for the time being, we're going to put some water in the car and run it up, whatever, and just do our little thing, get it started up, show you how it sounds and whatnot. But yeah, kind of disheartened about it. Chase, filthy in it. This was going to be part of the project, y'all. Like, man was going to repair this in-house dash and like take it out and whatnot. But surprisingly, that is smooth, y'all. Jeez. So this is empty. Let's go get some water for that, y'all. Right, we've got some water in there. It's holding. And yeah, let's check the oil quickly. I think this one's for the engine oil. It's got 2 dipsticks.
Yeah, there's one holding the dipstick.
So it's more than max. Oh, it looks of it.
Which might be the reason why it's leaking so much.
Check out that mint battery tray we showed you before.
You can eat your dinner off that.
I'll be cleaning this all up. Got a battery tray and that, hopefully, but yeah, it depends if we continue doing these episodes.
Hold on. Isn't this a Sierra?
What?
And then what? We've got another one there.
What?
What? There's 2.
Jeez! What a rare sight.
Shall we have a look at this one?
Yeah, a lot cleaner, isn't it?
Yeah, this one's got water inside already, look. No oil leaks. Been rectified already.
It looks minted compared to this one, isn't it?
Pretty clean. It's all standard.
Right, let's get this battery in. Well, that should be grounded. That's one like thing. Right, we've got the booster
Charged. Getting
done
charged.
up. Stay charged. This right here, yeah, one of my favourite features on the Sierra Ghia. I remember my dad had, I was only a little bab, like probably, how old was I? 2, if that?
Probably 3.
Yeah, about 3 years old. Sierra Ghia, and it had this computer in there, and it just, I remember it from back then when I was a little like baby, man, and it showed the doors are open when it was cold, winter time, and yeah, it was so equipped for its time. This is why I brought this Sierra Ghia, and for me to not be able to do the like project on it, I feel kind of emotional, man. Like, it just brings back so many memories, like this Ghia thing, electric windows. My dad's one had like rear electric windows in there, and it was a 1.6. But yeah, man, look at this. I don't know if my one works. Nah. But little things like the computer and stuff like that, I just wanted to fix it. But yeah, like I said from the start, we got complaints. So whether this project's gonna happen or what, let's just get her started up anyway. See if she does. Show you lot how it sounds. I don't know if it's got fuel, but jeez, it's running. Does it drive under its own power? Like, this thing ain't been driven in, I don't know how many years, but find out, yo. It's not going far, or nothing. Do you know what? I want to see if the lights work first of all.
Let's have a look, shall we? Do the beams.
No?
Is that full lights? Indicators?
Anyway, get the lights then. Windows don't work either. There's quite a lot. Let's see if it moves. Oh my god, it moves under its own power! gonna take you for a quick flirt, yo. You don't wanna come?
Sounds rough, but it's moving under its own power, yo. Got any tunage in it? Let's go. Okay, doesn't really want to turn around in that.
So, as you all see, my charge people, the car actually runs and drives under its own power, thankfully. And yeah, it don't run the best, but come on, like after how many years it's running, like jeez, and driving. But yeah, I've hoped to God that we can continue doing episodes on this car because I'm really enjoying it and I want to fix it and I want to bring more content out here for you. Yeah, there is going to be another one. It's going to be basically its first wash because it was absolutely rotten. And yeah, you know how we do. Gotta see how it comes out. I'm sure it's not going to be the best, but yeah. Other than that, hit that like button, share, comment and subscribe. And I'm truly grateful that you lot are supporting the channel and stay charged, y'all. Jeez!